The ramp for LAX 1262.
Air Canada Charlie 1, hold your position.
Air Canada Charlie 1, holding.
Alaska 581, Los Angeles ground taxi via Bravo Charlie 7.
Bravo Charlie 7, Alaska 581.
Ground United 75 Bravo, the American in front of us just got an accident with the bus. So Charlie 5 is going to be blocked. There might need some attention. I don't see anybody moving in there.
Operations, aircraft 193. I don't know the proper way to say it, but we just got into a collision at Charlie 5.
For 656, hold short Charlie 6.
Short Charlie 6, firming 656.
Just verify American 47 Bravo. There's an accident over there at Charlie 5.
Hey, ground for United 75 Bravo, we're right behind them. Yeah, they had an accident with a bus. The tug is turned all the way around, so I'm not sure if they need medical attention.
Okay.
City on 82 is responding.
Roger.
For engine rescue 51, line force 95, EMS 9, battalion 4, 825 LAX, channel 7, tax 13, 13. Battalion 4 from tug 95.
For 706, you want us to turn left here, Charlie 7.
United 706, affirmative. Charlie 7, then Charlie, just give way to that vehicle responding off to your left.
Okay, we'll give way to that vehicle. All right, thanks. Charlie ground off ATC, can you show Charlie 5 closed between Bravo and Charlie?
Okay.
Go ahead, United 75 Bravo.
United 75 Bravo, do you know if they need medical attention over there at Charlie 5?
I'm not sure. Nobody has moved out the tug. With your permission, I'd like to go out there and look at it.
I can't do that.
Ground for wing 656.
For wing 656, go ahead.
Yeah, we made the turn onto Charlie 4, and a little Swissport van right through the stop sign. We were going slow enough to miss us, so yeah.
Okay, thank you. City up, Charlie, go. Oscar 6, did you hear that van of Swissport van just cut off a yellow Spirit at Charlie 4? Alaska 1162, go Charlie 8, Charlie to the gate.
Charlie 8, Charlie 8. Ground, city up 82.
City up 82.
Yeah, with the tail sticking out on the Bravo, we do need to close Bravo between Charlie 6 and Charlie 4 for now.
So Bravo closed between Charlie 4 and Charlie 6?
Firm.
Got it.
Metro 5-1 here at LAX Taxiway Charlie. What we have is passenger bus with about 3 patients and a tug towing an aircraft, 3 patients only, and no one on the aircraft.
2-1, roger.
American 2399, it was pretty hard to get around all that vehicle traffic over there at Charlie 5.
C4 will be easy. It wasn't that bad. It was just kind of hard to see the silhouettes kind of walking around there for 2399, but we had clearance.
Okay, thanks.
Cargo left safe flash a little bit heavy request.
Yeah, it looks as though we only have approximately 3 patients. 2 on the bus and 1 is actually the tug driver tugging the aircraft.
Metro from Rescue 257, we may patient contact, patient on the LSD help.
It is not occupied. We have LAWA Air Ops on scene as well.
Roger. We're approaching post 2 at this time. Battalion from Light Force 95.
Light Force 95 from Battalion 4 on 13 go.
Yeah, so we're over here by the plane and the tug. The plane does have some damage to the plane and the wheels. But as far as fire department being needed here, that's not going to happen. They're going to have their own people handle this. Battalion 4 from Truck 95.
Truck 95, Battalion 4 go.
Yeah, so I've just been informed that there's actually a patient inside the plane that's going to need some assistance. We have Stera 80 coming at this moment. We'll get inside the plane and assess her.
Yeah, Battalion 4, roger. What we have here is a plane that only had a maintenance person on it that was being towed, hit one of the buses, one of the American Eagle buses. So minor traffic accident between the tug and the American Eagle bus.
Copy that. We'll bring R2 with us in the stair, and I'll send R6 back. R6, you can go home.